The real estate industry is going to be virtual for a while, and you need to be sure that your agent knows the tricks to get your home sold online. Here are the questions you need to ask. Hey everyone, it's Shelly from the Shelly Killinger Group at REMAX CSI. So it's safe to say that our real estate industry has changed quite a bit in the past few months. We have gone from in-person showings to FaceTime showings and Zoom call showings. We have gone from lines out the door at an open house to appointment-only open houses and virtual open houses. So we've changed quite a bit, and in my opinion, it's probably here to stay, at least for a little while. And so now more than ever, it is so critical that you find an agent who has some serious skill and experience in virtually marketing and selling properties, because you want to be sure that your home is in good hands. So if I were listing my home tomorrow, here are 3 questions that I would ask a potential agent before agreeing to list my home with them. The very first question is, what is your strategy for having a virtual open house on my home? I know a lot of agents are probably going to forego entirely the idea of doing an open house, but as a seller, this is a massive opportunity that you would be missing. Open houses bring buyers into your homes. And trust me when I say they will bring quite a few buyers into your homes. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. So you want to be sure to ask your agent, what is your strategy for your open house? And how are we going to accomplish this given the fact that we have to social distance, given the fact that we can't host a traditional open house? They should have a virtual strategy for an open house so that you can still capitalize on that opportunity and bring those extra buyers who are not represented, bring the buyers from Zillow. How are we getting them in to tour your home? So that is question number 1. Question number 2 is, what is your social media strategy in order to show my house to the right people and to the most amount of people? Now, the key word here is strategy. A lot of agents will post your home online. They will post it on their Facebook account, maybe post it on their Instagram, maybe link to the photos, but they are not running a strategic campaign to show your home to the buyers who their online activity has shown that they are more likely to buy or sell within a certain mile radius of your home. It's scary, but yes, you can get that detailed with Facebook ads, with any kind of social media ad, and your agent needs to know the strategy behind that. So ask them what their strategy is for getting your home sold on social media, because I will tell you, more and more buyers are leaning on social media to get access to their homes, to learn about new properties coming for sale. It is a really big trend that we're seeing right now, and you need to be sure that your agent has a social media strategy in order to get your home sold. So that is question number 2. Question number 3 is, how will you use video effectively to market our home? This is huge. In this post-COVID age that we are in, even prior to COVID, we were seeing a lot of people relying on video, but now more than ever, video is so very important. There are buyers out there who are not comfortable touring homes unless they are very serious about them. Video is the only way that you are going to be able to showcase your home to those particular buyers, and you don't want to miss out on those buyers. So video is very important. Find an agent who is comfortable on camera, who can put together a nice video showcasing your home, because that is the only way that those buyers are going to be able to see it. And heaven forbid if we have another shutdown, video is literally the only way that your home will be able to be shown. So we want to be sure that those video pieces are in place, and there really honestly should be a multi-layered approach when it comes to video. A 3D tour video, a video walkthrough with a voiceover, or with the realtor face to camera actually taking you on the tour, maybe a teaser video. There are a lot of different kinds of videos that you can put together to properly showcase a home. So those are the 3 questions that you definitely should be asking. What is your open house strategy? Even if it's virtual, what is your open house strategy? What is your social media strategy? And what is your video marketing strategy? Those are 3 really important things that you need to be sure that your agent has in their tool belt to be sure that your home is showcased in the best light. Selling your home virtually is definitely a little bit more tech heavy and a little bit more challenging than it was the good old fashioned way. But with the right agent and the right tools in place, you'll get your home sold in no time and you'll be moving on to your next adventure. And of course, if you have any questions about how we at the Shelley Killinger Group list and sell homes virtually, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to sit down and talk with you or have a Zoom call and chat online. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.